Today we are going to talk about some of the sad realities of the modern world. We are evolving very fast as a planet. We are on our way to become that earth that they show us in the scientific fiction movies. But there are some problems, some real problems that we are still facing. Problems like health, like mobile addiction, like relationship problems and much more. And that's why today we will try to describe some of the most common realistic problems of this modern world through some pictures. Now let's start. As you can see in the first picture that this woman is trying to wear a mask. So this represent our personalities about who we trying to become with different person. You may act in other way when you are with a certain person and in another way when you are with a different person. So we never show our true selves to anyone. We always wear a mask, but we never show who we truly are because we maybe believe that no one accept who we are actually in the now. So that is the one of the sad reality of life, that we never show our true selves to anyone. We always pretend to be someone else when we are with some persons. Now the next reality, the next picture, you can see in the right hand, some people have enough resources that they waste it on some little things, while some others don't even have the enough resources to satisfy their needs. This is one of the very cruel reality of life. As you can see in the left side of the picture, people can be happy with anything they have. I'm talking about when their basic needs are met. I'm not talking when they don't have food to eat, when they don't have any clothes to wear. When their basic needs are met, you can find happiness in the little things. As in the left side of the picture, this kid is happy because of that bird, of that vulture, if I'm not wrong, standing beside him. Next, you get what you give. In the upside of the picture, as you can see, the man is trying to cut the tree, but when he cut the final tree, the water starts flooded towards its house. This is the law of karma we are talking about. Whatever we do will come back to us in some way or the other, directly or indirectly. If you give love, you get love. If you help someone, someone will definitely help you. And always have that feeling of gratitude that you are happy doing what you are doing. It could be even the smallest of things, but be grateful for it because you will also get a lot of love from life in return. As you can see in this picture, these two couples are hugging but they are too busy on their phone. It indicates here that when we are spending time with our family, when we are doing something important, time with our loved ones, we are always busy with our phone. No matter what we do, that phone always in our hand, and that is one of the biggest problem when it comes to today's world. We all are the slaves to our phone. No matter what you are doing, no matter where you are, we always have the phone in hand and our eyes are fixed on the screen of that phone. You can solve mobile addiction by following some basic practices, tracking your phone uses, change your habits and much more. We will discuss that later in some next video, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now as you can see in this picture, this is very amazing. So it's related to the education system. In the education system, they just mugged up the whole thing, even if we don't want to learn, and it will never help us in real life, we all know that. And sometimes it did not even reach us. For example, if the teacher is saying something and you don't even understand what is she actually trying to say, that what represents in this picture. The teacher is giving her best to make the student understand, but the student cannot understand because of the gap, because this stuff will not help him in real life, and also it's not that much interesting, if I may say. In this picture, this actually represents a lot of root for the health problems. In our 90s, in 1996, in 1990, we all tried to play all the games outdoor. We never play on our phones thousands of hours playing PUBG, playing some other games. So in this upper side of the picture, as you can see, the mom is trying to get his son to come to home because he's playing outside for too long hours. But in the 2018, in 2020s, this mom is trying to get her son to play outdoors, because if we don't, our bodies not become much active. Our body is here to become active and do some activity, and if you are not using it, it will become dull. Moving on to the next picture, as you can see here in the left side of the picture, the girl is trying to become slim because she can look good, and even after doing that, she did not happy, because it's called self-love. It starts with who you are, accepting yourself and becoming a better version. That's what this picture is trying to indicate. We're trying to focus too much of acceptance from others, but we never focus on what we really want in life, that is acceptance of our true self just to us in the first place. So make sure to love yourself for who you are. Recently, all the people getting vaccines for COVID 19, and as you can see, all of their Instagram handles are filled with photo that they get after getting vaccinated. And why is that? We always try to focus too much on showing the outer world of what we are doing. Everything we post on social media, when we help someone, when we do something good for someone, well, it's not work that way, right? Because we always try to show that, okay, I'm doing this good thing. As you can see on Facebook and other social media platforms, there are some creators who post this helping thing, that we try to help this girl, we try to help this boy XYZ. But that does not work in this way. If you're helping someone, do it with a form of gratitude, and do it secretly. That's what we believe. All right, so that's how it is. These are some of the sad realities in the world. And tell us in the comments that which resonated with you the most, and which you think is the biggest problem that can come in the upcoming future, apart from the progress, of course. So that's how it is. If you hope this you like this video, you can also check out a lot of our other videos from this channel, which will keep you updated with this world and give you a lot of amazing facts